Ultamize. At some point, it's going to happen. You'll be speaking, you'll lose your place, you'll forget what you were about to say. And online, that moment can feel bigger than it actually is because there's no room energy to help you, no audience reactions to guide you, just silence and a camera. So most people, they panic, they stop, they look down, they search, they restart the sentence. And that's the moment the audience feels something's off, not because you forgot, but because you signaled that you forgot. Here's the key idea: the audience doesn't know what you were going to say, they only know what you say next. So your job is not to recover perfectly, it's to recover smoothly. Instead of stopping and searching, keep your voice moving. You can summarize what you just said. You can transition to the next idea. You can rephrase a point, but you don't want to freeze. You don't announce the mistake. You don't restart things. This isn't a video production for a TV commercial. Here's a simple example: you're speaking and you lose your next point. Instead of stopping, you say something like, "So, the key takeaway here is this." Now you've bought yourself time. You can just restate what you just said. You've maintained flow, and then you can move forward. The second part is your notes. If you quickly need to glance down, do it just like we practiced. Finish your thought, glance, come back up, then continue. No awkward hesitation, no long drawn out hesitation, just a little pause. The third part is mindset. Losing your place is normal. Professionals don't avoid it, they handle it. And when you handle it smoothly, the audience doesn't see it as a mistake. They see it as part of a natural conversation. So don't aim for perfection, aim for flow. If your flow stays intact, your presentation stays intact.